Hi, I'm Hope from hopebroidery.com, and in this video I'll show you how I hand embroider these simple rainbow hoops using scraps of yarn, floss, and other materials. For this project you'll need 2 hoops, one for stitching and a smaller one to use as a guide for your pattern, a transfer method such as a pencil or transfer pen, fabric, whatever scrap materials you'd like to use, cut into 12 to 24-inch pieces depending on how long you'd like your tails to be, embroidery floss for couching down your scrap materials, and a needle. Our pattern for this project is a simple arch which we'll draw using our smaller hoop as a guide. Don't worry if you place this arch too high or too low in your fabric, as you can always balance it out by adding to the top or bottom of your project when you start stitching. Using your embroidery floss, couch your first piece of material to your fabric using your arch as a guide. To help keep your scrap material centered, you can fold it in half and place your first stitch at the center of your arch. Continue couching your first piece of material to your fabric until you've covered the entire arch. How far apart you make these stitches is totally up to you and your own aesthetic preferences. Using your first stitched arch as a guide, add additional lines to your rainbow. And you'll couch additional pieces of material to your fabric, doing your best to keep each additional line as close to your last as possible, like what I'm doing here. Your goal is to have no or minimal gaps in between each line of stitching. And once you're done, you'll have something like this. I hope that was fun, and I can't wait to see what you make.